Merry Christmas on the road. Chee! Merry Christmas. No customer. On queue. Sino kaya audience ko? What's my audience in this time of hour? All in the Philippines. I'm making live video. So I'm with my family. Christmas. Hey guys, go online. Go online. Have Christmas with me on the road. My colleague laughing at me. They're waiting. Merry Christmas, everybody! Go up! Taxi car! Building! Watching nail! Cold! That's all. Ano, friend? Say hi. Hi, we are live. This here close now. Close my eyes. No passenger. I've been waiting here like 2 hours. Lourdes. Mars! Merry Christmas, Mars! Mare! Tingnan ko lang kung maraming manonood. Watching me? Maricoy, Merry Christmas! Hello! Wala lang. I just want to have a Christmas with you guys. Maricoy! Late gift, ha? Nanonood ka rin, Clyda? Kasi waiting na naman kung may kaaway ako. Wala naman. Solo. Bye-bye. Waiting ka kung may kaaway ako. Wala lang, tagal mag-online ng mga sa Pinas eh. Makikipas ko. Taxi driver. Hello. Oy, ako na daw. May queue. That's told me. Drive na. On queue. Ganda, ay, thank you. May work ka na. Oo, Pasko eh. Ganda. Thank you. Oh. Ingat, wait. Okay. Layas na daw ako. Jeric, pamasko ko! Kamusta ka naman? Walang pamasko si tita, Malu. Jeric, kamusta? Ano, saan sabi ng mami mo? Anong handa niyo? Ako na ba? Wait. Ako na daw. Baking muna. Oh, dyan muna ha. Magbabaking si Malunggay. It's my turn. Oops! Wait lang po. Kaloka. Pagalitan kaya ako nito ng boss ko. Going live. On cue. Pamasko nga po. Okay. Ano, Jeric? Asan mami mo? Ayan, oh, work ko, oh, work ni tita, oh. Pila sa taxi stand. Merry Christmas, everybody. Heads! Hello! Lahat ka kay Tita Malu? Kamusta si mami mo? Merry Christmas, ha? Oh, work ni Tita Malu, oh. Driver. Wala lang. Want to spend Christmas with you guys. That's why I made a video. Live. Ba naman, para makita nyo naman ang, so you can see the UAE. This is the Capitol House. And then watching you. Oh, see, this is where I get on queue because from here, customer goes on a long trip. Wala naman manonood na. Bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching.